Welcome back to Physics with Miyoshi. Today we're going to talk about thermodynamics, and I'm just going to give you a little introduction, maybe explain some terms about thermodynamics. First of all, thermodynamics is the study of physics, the fundamental laws of physics that govern heat and work. Now what we're going to find is that heat really is just a different form of energy. When we talk about heat, we're really talking about heat energy, the molecules hitting each other and changing or moving heat around from place to place, but it is just a form of energy, and it will follow all those rules of energy we've talked about before. A system, we need to know what a system is, and a system is merely what has the focus. What are we trying to find out, what we're trying to look at and find out what it's all about. The surroundings is everything else. So if I have a system, my system could be my house, it could be the engine in my car, it could be any number of things, it could be whatever it is, that's what has the focus, that's my system. Everything else, that's the surroundings. Okay? Adiabatic walls and diathermal walls. Adiabatic wall, what it does is it does not allow heat to flow from the system to the surroundings. And so whatever heat and energy is in here, whatever energy is in here, it just stays right in those walls, and that's with an adiabatic walls. With a diathermal wall, that allows heat to flow, so now my energy can flow out of the system into the surroundings. So that's the difference between adiabatic and diathermal walls. We also have to talk about something called state. The state of a system, basically what that is at any point in time we want to be able to describe the state of the system. In other words, we want to know what the pressure is, we want to know what the volume is, we want to know the temperature and the mass of the gas. Whatever is happening, we want to know the pressure, volume, temperature, and mass of the gas inside of my system. And then last but not least, in terms of introduction, we want to know that there are 4 laws of thermodynamics. They're actually kind of interesting. They're numbered 0 through 3, and similar to counting like we do in programming, we like to always count from 0. So, I'm not sure exactly why they do that. Probably they thought about the first 3 laws, 1 through 3, and they said, you know what? They really don't make sense unless we have law 0 in there as well. But that's something for history, and things that I'm really not worried about at this point in time. We just need to know that there are 4 laws of thermodynamics, numbered 0 through 3. So, again, remember, thermodynamics is the study of the laws of heat and work. System is what we're focusing on. Surroundings are everything else outside that system. Diathermal walls allow heat to flow. Adiabatic walls, they do not allow the heat to flow. And then our state, pressure, volume, temperature, mass of our gas. These are the things we want to talk about as we learn about thermodynamics, and those are just some key terms that we need to know. So thanks for tuning in. We will learn more about thermodynamics in more time to come. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Physics with Miyoshi.